So guys, today I'm reviewing this rock. Oh, there's rock over there. Look. Oh, rock review 1. It's on my floor. Rock review 2. It's also on my floor. Review 3. It's on my outside. Rock review 4. It's right there. It's right there. Rock review 5. Apa? Rock review 5. No, why the footsteps? Rock review 6. I review that in the intro, right? Review 7. It's on the wall. Look. Review 8. Right there on the intro. Rock review 9. It's right there. It's literally just a cube. 10. Dirty rock. Bro, why does it review 12? It's just a pile of rocks. It's there.